Hey guys, how's it going? How to check search history in Safari. So first of all, open up the Safari app on your device, alright? And then basically tap on the book icon at the bottom, alright, at the bottom of the screen. This might vary slightly based on your iOS version. Select the clock icon right here, or history located at the top right corner. Here you can see a list of websites you visited recently. If you want specific search entries, you can use the search bar at the top of the history page. Alright, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.